I'm going to show you how to make an Elementor pop-up open when the user clicks a button. I already have a pretty popular video about Elementor pop-ups, though it's mostly about triggering them from browsing events like entering or leaving a page. I had someone ask how to make the pop-up open when somebody clicks a button instead, so let's do that. Go ahead and sign into your website, and then you want to go to templates under Elementor and go to pop-ups. If you don't see this, you might not have Elementor Pro. You do need to have Elementor Pro to do pop-ups. So if you don't have that, check in the link in my description below and you can get Elementor Pro. Also, I'm going to go through the pop-up creation here pretty quickly. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, like I said, I have a full Elementor pop-ups tutorial, and I'm going to link that in the description below also. But let's go ahead and make one real quick now. So I'm clicking in pop-ups, and then I'm going to click Add New Template up top. Pop-up should be selected, and then you want to give your template a name. I'm just going to call it Test, and then I'm going to click the Create Template button. And I'm just going to choose a random template. So I'll take this one and then click Insert. And then we can just click Publish in the top right. And since this is going to be triggered by a button click, we don't need any of this. So we can just click Save and Close in the bottom. And then now let's make that button. So I'm going to click back into the WordPress dashboard. And then I'm going to Pages. And I'm going to open the page that I'm going to be working on here. There it is. So I'm going to click Edit with Elementor. And then I'm going to drag in the button widget. I'm going to click this button here for dynamic tags. And I'm going to scroll until I see pop up under Actions. And then I'm going to click this little wrench icon. And then I'm going to make sure the action is open pop-up. And then for pop-up, I am going to search for the one I just made. Select that. Publish the page in the top right. When that's done, I'm clicking the down arrow to view the page. And then when I click this button, there's a pop-up. And that's it. Now you know how to trigger an Elementor pop-up from a button click. If I was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. If you're building your own website, make sure to check out my description for your free 9-step roadmap to DIY your first website, which will take you through everything you need to do to get your site live from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching.